Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. Who says that an everyday dish set has to be plain and boring? You will be neither if you go with this gorgeous set from Bestone. These ceramic plates are a beautiful, hard ceramic material that is chip-proof, dishwasher safe, and microwave safe, and I've put them to the test with all three. The dishes themselves have a beautiful glazed finish, and I opted for the gray color, which has this beautiful sun ray pattern on each of them. I really like how, even though they're gray, they have different facets of grays on each of the plates and bowls. It comes with 4 B&B or butter-sized dishes, 4 cereal or salad-sized bowls, and 4 dish plates. All of them have a nice lip on the outside so you don't have to worry about food easily sliding off. I really love the dishes because they feel sturdy and durable, but most of all because they're absolutely stunning to look at. They are completely safe to wash in your dishwasher, and they come out just as clean and just as shiny and new when you take them out. I really love these dishes because they're beautiful for everyday wear. They're not boring at all, and they really are very sturdy feeling and beautiful to look at. You'll love them too, and you'll love having company over using them, and that's my point of view.